Hey you guys, hey, welcome to my channel. This is Chef Mr. C, and as you know, today is a good day. I'm starting my YouTube channel and Facebook channel and TikTok channel. They're gonna be all the same. They're gonna be sharing Instagram and Twitter and YouTube and all these social media platforms that we have. Along the way, I've been cooking for 40 years for my family and for my wife, my lovely wife, and we've been doing all in holidays, Easter, Christmas, and Thanksgiving, New Year, always have, and Super Bowl, of course. Today we're gonna start with the Super Bowl menu for all you guys. We're gonna have the guacamole. It's gonna have different ingredients, and it's gonna be, some of these options is optional. Like I said, you can add it or not, depending on what you want. And some of the ingredients you can change it for all the type that you like, because like the guacamole has red onions, but that's what we recommend, and sea salt. But you can do it with a white onion and regular kosher salt or whatever it please for you. It depends on the taste for you. Then we have three items on the menu. It's gonna be a guacamole Mexican style. It's gonna be chile rellenos with cheese. It's gonna be jalapenos with cheese and wrapped in bacon grill. And it's gonna be the third but not last is gonna be wings. Typical menu for Super Bowls, and it's gonna be two different flavors, and it's all depends on what you like, and it's gonna be an easy to do. We're gonna cover that today, and it's gonna be 3 different videos for you. I'm gonna launch it for Super Bowl today, so you have it by tomorrow. You have that ready. Hopefully tonight you get the recipe. Go to Fry's, go to your supermarket, and we shop at Whole Foods. That's a preference, but remember, don't bring too many people to your house. It's up to you. If they do, wear a mask. My name is Chef Mr. C.
So these are the key ingredients. You have the red onion, avocados, lemon, jalapenos, and cilantro. And now we're gonna start doing chopping it. I'm gonna put some slices in here, and then we're gonna cut it across. That will make your chopping finer. That's just a matter of preference. If you have a chopper, then just use the mixer or whatever you have to do it. I do it by hand just to show you, and I'll do that because that's just normally how we do it. And then I'll cut it on the side, take some of the excess part of the onion, and then be careful with your fingers and start cutting it down, and it'll come in pieces. This, I didn't do it that well, but it's coming across. You just do the fine chopping in there, and then you're going to put it on your dish so you have it ready. Next, we're going to be, when we finish chopping the onions, we're going to be doing the jalapeno. But in the meantime, we're doing that, so just clean the knife. Just be careful with the edge and the blade. Immediately, I'm going to take the end of the jalapeno. These are already washed, and then you gotta take the seeds and the veins out of it. I cut the middle of it, and then I go on the side. If you want to keep that, just make sure it doesn't get messy. You open it there. You use a spoon to start pulling those seeds out, and as you can see, please do not touch your eyes, and you can wash it with water after that. I did, and after I finish, I'll do that and start cutting it in pieces too. Put them in another bowl, and be careful with the utensils that you use to mix it, because you want to transfer if you want to do something else other than the avocado. Just cut it in pieces like I'm showing you, and it's going to be pretty good. Cut the tip, and you'll see that I'm wiping it with another cloth. We do it with a cloth, so it's better. So fine pieces, good, and you can put that to the guacamole if you want to. You don't have to, but some people like that, and at the same time, it gives it that taste. The little the chile, when you take the seeds out and the veins, the jalapeno is not that spicy, so you can still deal with it in the guacamole. It'll mix and give it that flavor in the in the avocado that you want, and you can dip it with chips and all that. I'm gonna do the all this. I'm putting this in the tray. Now I'm going to do the lemon, just cut them in half and a couple. I mean, that's a matter of preference. You can cut it in half and just squeeze it with the squeezer and then put it in there. Now we got the cilantro, and I already had it washed and ready to go. We're going to start chopping it fine chop, which is important, and that's pretty much. And we're gonna just finishing doing that, and we're gonna put it in there, and we're gonna mix it in another bowl. That way you put all the ingredients in one piece. So now we bring a big bowl. So we're gonna start cutting the avocados in half, and we're gonna take the seed out, and make sure you have a spoon. You have all your ingredients right there. The avocado is perfect, and then we're gonna get with the spoon, take the seed out like that. It helps a lot. If you want to keep it, if you're going to have a lot of avocado, guacamole, you can keep one or two, so you can keep it so that it oxidize and they'll get black when you have it in the fridge. Now let's get all that ready for you. Get the avocados in place, and we're going to start mixing everything. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. It's going to be a quick move, so I don't have to do much on it. Have the spoon clean. Now we're gonna put them in there and start mixing them as soon as I can. You can use a fork to get it all mixed. And then I'm using 2 avocados just to show you, but it could be 3 or 4 depending on the size of your party. And then you have to have the same amount of ingredients with the parsley and all that. Normally it's for 4, 2 spoons for the cilantro, 2 spoons for the jalapeno, 2 spoons for the rest of the ingredients, and a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. But if you need more, you just increase it's just by taste. You gotta go taste it. Like I said, you can put sea salt or you can put kosher salt, and you don't want to put jalapenos, you want to do a white onion mince, then you can do that too. It's just a matter of preference, onions, you know. Spoon. You can put parsley, so we're going to go ahead and mix it, in the process of recording the audio, cilantro, and we're going to be fine. Jalapeno, and the pinch of salt. Like I said, it's coming along fine. Then you put the lemon squeeze. Like I said, you can put a lot of people don't like too much lemon, and a lot of people, I put like 2 complete lemons, and I squeeze them too with a special lemon press, and now we can put a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper and start mixing it. And we're going to do the presentation and put them in the bowl that we use for the presentation and the guacamole. And you can put fresh cheese too. You can put the fruit, the red pomegranate, and pepper. You start mixing everything, and it'll be ready in a couple minutes. The flavor is going to be right there. As you can see, the whole mixing is there. Now I think we're going to be fine. Now we're going to do the presentation with the Super Bowl chips and my most pressure and treasure dish that I have here. So how you like that? The presentation is beautiful. It's got the cheese, the fruit, this, some of the cilantro. Well, guys, here we go. Have a good day.